Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, and this is the WTI crude oil. As you can see, it has taken a sharp reversal from here. There are news articles that suggest that there are talks that are going towards controlled opening of Strait of Hormuz with joint controls with Oman and Iran. So Oman has always remained a neutral entity in the Middle East, and it has always brought in some constructive diplomacy into the area. So I hope it works out well. Well, this is the day candle that you can see. It looks like a perfect triangle, but most of these couple of these are because of the CAS, whatever bullshit that the SEBI has brought upon us. Now, let's go to the okay. Let's look at the daily candle, and this is what happened today. Look at that candle. Whoever made a straddle, I do not know if you made any money because the decay is not what it used to be. Now the option pricing is has become very unpredictable, and for option buyers and option sellers, it's not working well. Whatever the CAS that SEBI has brought upon us. Let me just get rid of all these drawings from yesterday. That was a fair value gap. That was a buy side liquidity that we were looking at. And let's start with the monthly time frame. And this is Nifty on a monthly time frame. The bias is bullish. Well, this is an indicator, and this is my personal. This is where I manually input it just to check the cross-check the performance of the indicator. Now, this is Nifty on a monthly time frame. There are two important levels to watch out for. All-time high is where the sellers are, and this swing low from the month of June is where the buyers are. So that's 23,070 and 26,373. When I say buyers and sellers, I'm just oversimplifying the concept of buy side and sell side liquidity. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, this is the bias is not sure. Why is it not sure? There's no higher low formation. There's no lower high formation, so it is not sure. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, the bias is bullish. This is a swing low, and this is a higher low. And is there any level to look out for? Yes, there is a level to look out for. This is a target for Nifty. This large gap is where Nifty could take a stop if Nifty goes higher, which I believe Nifty will. I am an eternal bull, and I believe Nifty is just being held back by the heavyweights. Otherwise, Nifty should have flown higher. And this is a support for Nifty. This swing low is something that should ideally be protected for my bullish bias to sustain. So if Nifty breaks this low, then I change my bias. Now going over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is bullish. There was a swing low there. There's a swing low there. There's a higher low here. But why am I mentioning it's not sure? It's not sure both on the indicator and the manual input because there's also lower highs formed there. So that is sort of indicating that it could consolidate for a while here. But few of these swing highs are created by the CAS system. Anyway, I go by the books. It is not sure. And going over to the 1-hour time frame, same story again. I just mention it as not sure because there are higher lows and lower highs formed. Deep inside, I am bullish on this, but I have to be technical in an analysis, unbiased in analysis, and that's why it is not sure. Well, that's it from my side. Nifty is forming a wedge formation. It can break out from either side, towards either side. So we're just waiting for that breakout, which I believe should be this week. That's it from my side. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.